1000 words in Korean 3. On this lesson, we will learn I speak, for example, English language, or I speak Spanish language, and I live in Korea. I live in China. Let's get started. Introduction, 소개, second part. 살다, 살다, to live. 저는 place, name에 살아요. 저는 name of a place에 살아요. 저는, for example, 네덜란드에 살아요. 저는 네덜란드에 살아요. I live in the Netherlands. 고향, 고향, hometown. 어디, 어디, where. 고향이 어디예요? 고향이 어디예요? 예요, 이에요. We studied from previous lesson. If you're not familiar with this 예요, 이에요, please click the previous lesson and study about that. 고향이 어디예요? 어디예요 means where is. 고향, hometown. So where is hometown? The answer is 제 고향은 place입니다. 제 고향은, for example, 서울입니다. 제, we also did from previous lesson, which means my, right? So, 제 고향은 means my hometown, 서울, 서울입니다. is. Name with she. She is Korean title which refers Mr., Miss, and Mrs. in English. But we do not have gender in title, so we only have one word, she. And attention! Unlike English, Korean title she must be combined with either given name or full name. For example, David Kim. His name is David, right? So we call him as David Shi, or in a Korean way, Kim, family name first, David Shi as a full name. Family name with Shi, such as Kim Shi or Park Shi, is considered very rude. Please do not make mistake of calling family name with she. 네. 네. Yes. 아니요. 아니요. No. 언어. 언어, which means either a language or languages. Country name and put a means a language of a country, because a has a meaning of language. For example, if you want to say Spanish language, we put country name Spain and a. Then it becomes Spanish language. 한국어, 한국어. 한국, Korea, a language, so Korean as a language. 말하다, 말하다. To speak, to talk, to tell. We do not distinguish speak, tell, talk, but we say 말하다 and it includes all of these meanings. 저는 한국어로 말합니다. 저는 한국어로 말해요. Which means I speak in Korean. Then how to ask I speak in English? 영어, 영어, English. So 저는 영어로 말해요. 저는 영어로 말합니다. Is I speak in English. 일본어, 일본어. 일본 means Japan. means a language. So 일본어 means Japanese language. 중국어, 중국어. 중국 means China and means a language. So Chinese language. 프랑스어, 프랑스어. French language. 스페인어, 스페인어. Spanish language. 러시아어, 러시아어. Russian language. 알겠습니다, 알겠습니다. I understand or okay. This word is the last word of today, which means 모르겠습니다, 모르겠습니다. I do not know, I don't know. Words list and exercises are available at studykoreaneveryday.teachable.com. Did you like the lesson? Then please subscribe, like, and share. 감사합니다. Thank you.